Hi, this is Jared of Heat Press Nation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to print on small wood signs like this using VersiFlex by Sawgrass and an HPN heat press. Now, in addition to wood, VersiFlex allows you to print on cotton and any regular sublimation product like coffee mugs, aluminum photo panels, and more. For this project, I'm using a plain unfinished wood sign from my local craft supply store, VersiFlex Light Paper printed with my Sawgrass SG1000 with VersiFlex ink, and my trusty Signature Pro 16 by 20 inch swing away heat press. To start, set your heat press temperature to 375 degrees, time to 30 seconds, and pressure to medium. Place a sheet of parchment paper on the lower platen and make sure your heat press is at temperature before you send your job to print. First, measure your sign. This sign is about 6 by 4 inches with a center imprint area of about 4 by 2 3/4 inches. Now you can go into Sawgrass Print Utility, click Create, and add the image file. Once it's loaded, resize it to make sure that it fits completely inside the measured imprint area. To make centering the graphic easier, you can add a box around it. I'm using Photoshop to draw a box about 1/4 inch bigger than the sign on all sides. Back in Print Utility, set Product to Uncoated Wood. This automatically changes the media type to VersiFlex Light Paper since that's the only paper compatible. Set media size to whatever you're using, letter in my case. Leave print quality on high. And because this is an illustration, I'm going to change the mode to Vivid under Color Management. Now if your heat press is ready, go ahead and click Print. For best results, VersiFlex must be applied immediately while the ink is still moist. Bring it over to your heat press. And because the ink is still moist, you cannot reposition the transfer once it's been set down on the wood. Place it down, center your item to the box, then place that down and press gently. Carefully flip the transfer over so the ink side is facing up, and center it on the platen, cover with another sheet of parchment paper, and press. This is a good time to put on your heat-resistant gloves. Once the timer is done, open the press and peel your transfer immediately in a consistent, smooth motion. Once it's peeled, you are done. This wood sign came out great. What's most amazing is that with the same Sawgrass printer I used, I could also print on cotton and all of my favorite sublimation blanks. For more information about VersiFlex, you can call our friendly sales team or visit us online at heatpressnation.com.